Sports fans, welcome to this unboxing video. I've ordered a lot of stuff from Experten, and the stuff is from an upcoming kayaking adventure that will start on Monday. For this adventure I reached out and asked them if I could get some sponsorship, and they were kind enough to give me 15% off, and that's very generous. So to give something back, I'll start by doing this unboxing video. Yesterday, me and my family, we came home from a almost 2-week, maybe 10-12 day vacation where we went camping and sleeping in our tents in Sweden and Norway. And so around me here on the table and on the floor there's a big mess with stuff, yeah. I'm sitting here with my cup of tea, and the best kind of tea doesn't come from bags. So let's get started. Packaging is very thorough. Alright, so let's see. Okay, there we go. This is a very big box. I haven't ordered this much stuff before. However, I did get even bigger box when I ordered the child carrier, the Osprey Poco Premium AG. It's a long name. I may have mixed up the order. Alright, so thanks for shopping with us. Yes, Experten is awesome. I've ordered lots of stuff over the years. And okay, so I've ordered 15 packets of drytech, and I went with real turmat, Norwegian brand, because when I did my military service, we had food provided by that company. It wasn't this kind of package, it was different, but it was a brand, and it was good. Well, the first encounter with drytech. So okay, I'm going to let's go through this. So I have chicken tikka masala. There is no real image on the. Okay, there's a tiny one here in the corner. You can't make it out, but ham in sweet and sour sauce, chili con carne. Another one of those storfäggryte, beef stew, and also cod in curry sauce. I didn't notice there's an English translation except the Norwegian name. More chicken. I went with everything in the from what I could choose from, but I went mainly with the stronger flavored ones. When I'm out, I prefer eating food with lots of flavor. Let's see if this is recording it on my phone. Alright, so there we are. Okay, another one. Beef and potato. Lapskojs maybe. No. Och köttpotater. Alright, so finally I'll have a first aid kit. Haven't bought one before, but since I'm going for 2 weeks this time, my previous adventure Uppsala Stockholm was 5 days, 4.25, but I didn't reckon I needed one. But for this journey, definitely it's a good. I think it's a good investment for now and for the future. So it's waterproof, the bag. And then gloves. I actually have a pair of gloves from my previous trip, and they were great, from Hestra. However, the year after, I used them at my girlfriend's summer house to carry rocks for a pier, and that was a bad idea. So they were pretty worn out. I ordered a size 9. I forgot that my current ones, the worn out ones, were size 10, but it does feel quite snug. But I think on the other hand, it might be better. I'll think about it. I should have ordered the 10, but it's not good to have too big ones either. Then we'll go with this one first. Life jacket. This one is for kayaking. One of the lower end models, but the advantage of this one is that it has a slot for a Camelbak or some other brand. The brand has become synonymous with the concept of a water container. So unfortunately on the website it didn't specify how big a water container you can fit. So, but I ordered a 1.5 liter one to try it out. I actually called them and they said that 1 liter should definitely fit, but you never know. So I guess I'll have to see, to try it out and see. Hopefully, if I can't fit the entire 1.5 liter filled, maybe I can at least fill it 2/3. But so the advantage of this one, according to the website, is that it ends a bit higher on the back, and so you shouldn't run into some issues regarding when you sit in the kayak and there's a small rest for the lower back, and it should this one should end higher up than the small rest for the back, but we'll see how it goes in theory. So this one should be on the front and this one on the back. It should have a small. Maybe let's say maybe this one is for the back. Maybe we'll see. And there's some hooks. Say. Okay, good. Looks really awesome, and I'm very psyched. And this is I actually ordered the Camelbak. And why I ordered a Camelbak is because of my previous encounters while on the kayak, that it's very convenient to have water available. In the military, we had a Camelbak system in our vests, and it was very convenient. I didn't have the budget for buying one of these before, but after my last kayaking adventure, when I actually did flip over once, my first flip, and since I realized that in case something like that happens again, I will at least have some water with me in worst case scenario. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's bladder and a tube. Yeah, this is about it. My aim is to go through my gear, equipment, etc. as I go along. I don't have any specific plan for when and how, but stay tuned. Wish me luck. I am 2 days out. It's a Friday. Yeah, we got back yesterday. Great.